Hey everybody out there in Wasabi land, this is Jennifer with Oregon Coast Wasabi. I hope you're all doing really well. Today we thought we would show you something fun, which is a cocktail made with our wasabi cocktail rim salt. Remember, our wasabi cocktail rim salt is our new product for this year, and it comes in a gift pack with 4 of our coasters and a recipe card, and also you can buy individual tins on the website. So we're going to make a Wasabi Bloody Mary with the cocktail rim salt on the edge of the glass. So take a pint glass, just a regular pint glass. This bowl has some water in it. We're just going to dip the edge of the pint glass into the water so your wasabi cocktail rim salt has something to attach to. And what we did was we opened up the bag of rim salt from this tin and put it in the plate here. So this is actually what the cocktail rim salt looks like. So just move the edge of the glass around so you have it nice and covered. So it's going to look like that when you're done. The next thing, we're going to add some ice to our glass here. And then I have pre-mixed vodka and a Bloody Mary mix into this pitcher here. You guys pick your favorite vodka, your favorite Bloody Mary mix. I know that you all have opinions about that, so I'm not even going to tell you what mine is. But we would love to know what you love, what vodka and Bloody Mary mix you love in the comments for this video. Let us know. All right, so this is the vodka Bloody Mary mix pre-mixed. We're going to just pour it into our pint glass with the rim salt. And then if you want to, as a garnish, you can use these beautiful wasabi greens. The long stems make a really nice stir. They're delicious to eat. And they also look like little green hearts. They're really beautiful. So garnish it with wasabi greens or celery or whatever your favorite garnish is, bacon. People use all sorts of things on Bloody Marys. If you want, we sell the wasabi greens on our website. We also sell plant starts, so you can grow your own wasabi greens while you're waiting for your rhizome to grow. The rhizome will take 18 to 36 months, but the wasabi greens you can harvest about every 8 to 10 weeks. Cut them off your plant, make some Bloody Marys. Cheers.